Hello everyone. Today, in this video, we are going to dive deeper into two cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies, ChatGPT and Pictory-AI. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text. With its advanced training on vast amounts of data, ChatGPT is capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of questions and requests. One of the many potential use cases for ChatGPT is customer service. Companies can use ChatGPT to provide quick and accurate answers to customer inquiries, freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. Another example is the use of ChatGPT in creative writing. ChatGPT can generate story ideas, write fiction, and even complete incomplete sentences or paragraphs. Pictory-AI is a computer vision technology that enables machines to see and understand images and videos. By analyzing visual data and extracting information, Pictory-AI can recognize objects, people, and scenes, and even generate captions to describe what's happening in an image or video. One of the many applications of Pictory-AI is in the retail industry. Retailers can use Pictory-AI to analyze customer photos and videos to understand consumer preferences and make informed decisions about product development and marketing. Another example is in the field of accessibility. Pictory-AI can help make visual content more accessible by generating captions for images and videos for people who are blind or visually impaired. Conclusion: these are just a few examples of the amazing potential of ChatGPT and Pictory-AI. As AI continues to advance, the possibilities for these technologies are virtually limitless. We can't wait to see how these technologies will continue to shape and improve our world. This video was made using ChatGPT and Pictory-AI. Getting started with Pictory-AI is easy and affordable. You can try out the free version or upgrade to the paid service for even more advanced features. And, if you use my referral link given in description below to sign up for the paid service, you'll get a special discount on your first month. To learn more about ChatGPT and Pictory-AI, visit the OpenAI website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video and do subscribe to this channel for more such videos.